Alright guys, we got an unboxing. I'm gonna take this knife. Oh god. Alright. This part. Poor babe. But they got the first set. Oh. Take them out for y'all. Look at these soles. Am I wearing them? Yeah, I'm wearing some Nikes, so like the soles are really nice. Really nice. Smells great. Smells good. But here's these shoes. Really slick. Alrighty, next we got some. So you're going, oh my god. So look at these. These are sweet. I like the slip-ons because I wanted to get some slip-ons, so I just got some slip-ons. These were for both these pairs of shoes, they were $60, which I know sounds expensive, but it was only $60 in total. Not bad. I paid $60 and they come in a couple days. But yeah, thank y'all for watching.